More than 10 years ago, I actually survived the strongest super typhoon that had hit the Philippines so far. However, kahit ano pang super typhoon yan, it did not stop Ian Mendahar from dreaming. Because Ian Mendahar is a dreamer, very ambitious, and loves to manifest many things. Mabuhay Philippines! Ako si Ian Mendahar at ito ang aking kwentong Bragay. Yung core memory ko lang about pageantry. Fan kasi ako ng comics. And my mom would always tell me, si Darna, Miss Universe Philippines yan. Miss Universe din yan si Jezebel. And then I started watching Binibining Pilipinas. And even local pageants sa summer. I was a member of the Pianatics. And nung na-meet ko si Pia, nagkaroon kami ng parang connection. Hanggang sa meron na kaming mas malalim na conversation. Na-experience ko in front of me, in person to binabash si Pia ng isang fan. Pero Pia would always tell us to show kindness. Parang, wag mga Mars. Wag, nakaka-inspire siya kasi sobrang bait niya. Nung Miss Universe na siya, she would always tell even the Miss Universe organization na, hey, Ian knows how to copy the walks of beauty queen. Ian made dolls for me. Lagi niya akong binibida. Sabi ko talaga na one day, if magiging successful din ako sa pageantry, I'll be like Pia. I will help all the people who help me also. Parang isama ko sila sa success. Back in 2015, kumuha ako ng isang Pia doll. Nag-trending ako worldwide. And I thought, magiging fashion designer. So, tumulong ako mag-bid sa mga national costumes and gowns. I need to join a pageant birthday party. And fun fact, judge si Jojo Bragais. And I was actually wearing my first ever pair of Bragais. Venus yun. And I remember, buong gabi, I think hanggang 3 a.m. ko siya suot. Rampa lang ako ng rampa. I-practice na maraming beses para mas maging sanay ka. Initially, I was invited to join more pageants. Kasi ang galing ko daw rumampa. Pretty daw ako. I'm pretty but I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure I am. Pero sabi ko, hindi talaga ako kontesera. And so, sabi ng isang mama, kung ayaw mong kumontest, magturo ka na lang. And I think that was the birth of Ian Mendahar, the runway coach. And along the way, may mga nakilala din akong mga pageant friends. Isa na dun si Jojo Bragais. Sabi niya, Ian, coach ka na pala. May sapatos ka ba? Pinadala niya ako ng sapatos. Hindi lang isa, dalawa. And until now, yung boxes na sa bahay. Diba sabi nga nila, a queen behind her takes a village. Lahat yun sila, parang may moment in the industry, except yung mga runway coaches. Kaya nung nalaman ko na yung new tribute pairs for me, talagang na-touch. Bumalik lahat nung nagsisimula pa lang ako sa pageantry. I am a very collaborative coach. The goal is to have your own beat, to have your own move. Kung kapareho yung galaw mo sa galaw ng iba, then paano ka nag-stand out? It's okay to be inspired from the past queen. Para sa akin, walang mali doon. But mali na siya if every time you do the move, they will not see you and they will see yung original queen who did the move. Well, it's very important to choose the right shoe. Yan yung magiging sandata mo sa pageantry. 80% of beauty pageants, parang pasarela. Para maging comfortable ka wearing high heels, you have to really choose the right shoe for you. Sometimes, mag-work sa'yo yung stilettos. Sometimes, mag-work sa'yo yung may platforms. So, you'll have to invest at least 2, siguro. Isang medyo flat, isang platform, para marami ka ding options. Options. Each queen that I've worked with, meron talaga silang impact sa buhay ko. Alam niyo, sa studio ko, meron akong tinatawag na wall of queens, or wall of crowns. And that wall, magkakaroon siya ng pictures of all the beauty queens I've coached. Every beauty queen, I learned something. Yung iba kong natutunan, na-apply ko siya sa next beauty queen. Or yung iba kong natutunan, na-apply ko siya sa life. Merong few na talagang nagbigay ng impact sa akin. Atisa Manalo. Sabi niya, pageantry became my life's vessel, fueled by the love and the support of the people who supported me. And I realized, same kami. Pageantry became my life's vessel for me to survive. I survived the strongest typhoon. Yes, I survived physically, but mentally, after 2 years, I was still surviving, and the doctor told me to find an outlet for me to fully heal and fully survive. And that was pageantry. And yung line na yun na Tisa hit me hard because I realized na ang dami ko pala dapat ipasalamat sa pageantry. Number 1, nahanap ko yung purpose ko. Number 2, nagkaroon ako ng second family. And number 3, now I'm inspiring more younger Ian Mendahars out there. I always say this sa mga workshop ko. Hindi perfect. Never aim for perfection. It will lead you to frustration. Practice makes permanent. So whatever you do in life, if you keep on practicing it, it will be permanent. If you practice being a nice person, that will be permanent. So it's like pasarela. If you keep on practicing your routine and the routine na nabuo mo together with your mentor, it will be permanent. Muscle memory ang goal sa pasarela. And trust me, if permanent na sa'yo yung routine mo, yung ginagawa mo, magagawa mo yung gusto mong performance. Ang dami kong quotable quote, di ba? Papa-t-shirt ko yun, practice makes permanent. Ian Mendahar yun. Ian Mendahar, Jojo Bragais, Walk, Win.